Dear viewers, in this video I am going to discuss K 2021 Engineering Mathematics. The paper name is Mechanical Engineering, morning session. The first question, if y of x satisfies the differential equation sin x into dy by dx plus y into cos x which is equal to 1, subject to the condition y of pi by 2 equal to pi by 2, then y of pi by 6 is option A 0, option B pi by 6, option C pi by 3, option D pi by 2. So this is first order differential equation. This can be written as dy by dx plus py equal to q. The general solution of the form 1 is y into e power integral p dx, which is equal to integration over q e power integration over p dx into dx plus c. So the integrating factor is e power integral p dx. So what is our differential equation? Sin x into dy by dx plus y into cos x equal to 1, which is given. This is dividing by sin x. You will get dy by dx plus y cos x by sin x, which is equal to 1 by sin x. This can be written as dy by dx plus y cot x equal to cosecant x. Now compare 1 and 2. The capital B equal to cot x, q equal to cosecant x. Now you want to find out the integrating factor e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral cot x into dx. The integration of cot x dx equal to log sin x. Now the integrating factor is sin x. Next one, the solution is y sin x equal to cosecant x into sin x into dx plus c. Y sin x equal to cosecant x 1 by sin x into cancel. The equation can be written as y sin x equal to integration of dx plus c. This can be written as y sin x equal to x plus c. Now you want to substitute the given condition y of pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. That is y of pi by 2 into sin of pi by 2 equal to pi by 2 plus c. Y of pi by 2 and value is pi by 2, sin of pi by 2 is 1. Now the getting for pi by 2 equal to pi by 2 plus c, the c value is 0. The given differential equation can be written as y sin x equal to x plus 0. Now you want to find out y of pi by 6 is for what? Y of pi by 6 into sin pi by 6 equal to pi by 6. Y of pi by 6 into sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2, which is equal to pi by 6. The answer is pi by 3, which is given. Option C is correct. Next question. The value of limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square is option A 1 by 4, option B 1 by 3, option D 1 by 2, option D 1. Now we want to find out the limit of the given function. L equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Now you want to apply the given limit 1 minus cos 0 by 0, cos 0 value 1, 1 minus 1 0, so 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Now apply L Hospital rule. Apply L Hospital rule of this problem. L equal to limit x tends to 0. The differentiation of 1 minus cos x is sin x divided by x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now apply the limit again one more time. 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Next again one more time L Hospital rule. L equal to limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Differentiation of 2x into 2. Apply the limit 1 by 2, which is given. Option C is the correct answer. Next question number 3. Consider a binomial random variable x. If x1, x2 up to xn are independent identically distributed random variables, samples from the distribution of x with some y equal to summation over I equal to 1 to n xi, then the distribution of y as limit approaches to n tends to infinity approximated as option A exponential, option B Bernoulli, option C binomial, option D normal. Actually, question number 3 is based on one important theorem. If x is a random variable with a binomial distribution for the large n tends to infinity, the random variable x has a standard normal distribution, which is option D is correct. Next question number 4. Let f of x equal to x square minus 2x plus 2 be a continuous function defined on x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 3. The point x at which the tangent of f of x becomes parallel to the straight line joining f of 1 and f of 3 is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Actually, in this problem, based on indirect, we want to use the Lagrange mean value theorem. The statement of Lagrange mean value theorem, f of x is continuous on a closed interval a comma b and differentiable on the open interval a comma b. Then there is at least one point c on this interval such that f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. You want to calculate based on our value a comma b is 1 comma 3. So you want to find out f of 3 and f of 1 and f dash of x. So f of 3 is 5, f of 1 is 1, the f dash of x is 2x minus 2. So if you substitute 2c minus 2 equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, 2c minus 2 equal to 2, which implies 2c equal to 4. The c value is 2, which is given. Option C is correct. Next question number 5. The customers arrives at a shop according to the Poisson distribution. According to the Poisson distribution, with a mean of 10 customers per hour, the manager notes that no customers arrives for the first 3 minutes after the shop open. So the probability that a customer arrives within the next 3 minutes is, the 4 option is given. Actually, in this problem mentioned for Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. The formula is P of x equal to x e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. The lambda should be positive. X is varies from 0, 1 to 3. But here lambda 10 customer per hour. So this can be written as 10 by 60 minutes. This can be written as 10 by 60 for 1 minute. So again, the manager notes that no customer arrives for the first 3 minutes. 3 into 10 by 60 for 3 minutes. The lambda equal to 1 by 2. Now, what we want to find? The probability of customer arrives in the next 3 minutes. So this can be written as 1 minus probability of no customer arrives in 3 minutes. This can be written as 1 minus P of x equal to 0. You want to substitute here 1 minus e power lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. The value is e power minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power 0, 1 minus e power 0.5. This can be written as 1 minus 0.61. The answer is 0.39, which is given. Option A is right. Next, let C represent the unit circle centered at the origin in the complex plane, and the complex variable is equal to x plus iy. The value of contour integral over C cos 3z divided by 2z in dz. The integration is taken over counterclockwise. The 3 option is given. So this is the complex integration problem. The given integral is I, integration over C cos 3z divided by 2z, which is given using Cauchy's integral formula. F of z is analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C that encloses a simply connected region R, and if A is any point in R, then f of A 1 by 2 pi A integration over C f of z divided by z minus into dz 2 pi A into f of A, which can be written as integration over C f of z z minus A into dz. So compared to this formula in our problem, the integral can be written as I equal to 1 by 2 integration of cos h3z divided by z minus 0 into dz. So in our problem based on unit circle, the unit circle can be written as this value minus 1 1 and minus ai. So clear that x square plus y square equal to 1, that is centre is 0 comma 0 based on radius is 1, but in our problem a equal to 0, that z equal to 0 is inside of the c by Cauchy's integral formula. This can be written as 2 pi a into f of 0 into 1 by 2. Cos z you may expand like this, e power 3z plus e power minus 3z divided by 2. Cos h3 of 0 0. So now you want to substitute pi a is answer which is given option C is correct answer. Next, linear algebra. Consider a vector p in two-dimensional space. Let its direction counterclockwise angle with the positive x-axis be theta. Let B be the eigenvector of 2 by 2 matrix A with the corresponding eigenvalues lambda greater than 0. If you denote the magnitude of a vector V by norm of V, identify the valid statement regarding P where P dash equal to AB. Actually 4 option is given. This linear algebra as well as the matrix eigenvalue and eigenvector problem based on basic one. A equal to A, B, C, D be a 2 by 2 matrix. Lambda is eigenvalue of A, then B is eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue of lambda, then B dash equal to AB. By the definition of eigenvector, AB equal to lambda B, B dash equal to AB which is equal to lambda B. Then take norm on both sides. Norm of B dash equal to norm of lambda b a scalar, then norm of b dash equal to lambda and norm b, which is option B is correct option. Next, question number 8, the general aptitude. If 4 operator is given in case of minus and plus, multiplication and division, the value of the expression, just you substitute the given operator and the mathematical expression, you will get here 2 minus 3 plus, in case of bracket 4 division of 2 and multiple of 4. You may simplify here, which is option D is correct one. Next, numerical methods based on ODE problem. Numerical ODE. The ordinary differential equation is dy by dt equal to minus pi y, subject to the initial condition y of 0 equal to 1, is solved numerically using the scheme y of tn plus 1 minus y of tn divided by h, which is equal to minus pi y of tn, where h is the time step, tn equal to n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. This numerical scheme is stable for all value of h in the interval. The 4 option is given. Actually this is the given problem. Dy by dt equal to f of t comma y minus pi y, y of 0 equal to 1. This is the stability problem in numerical methods. The numerical scheme is y of tn plus 1 minus y of tn divided by h minus pi into y of tn, then y of n plus 1 minus y of n divided by h minus pi into y of n. This can be written as y of n plus 1 minus y of n, which is equal to minus pi h into y of n. Y of n plus 1 equal to y of n plus h into minus pi into y of n. This can be written as the Euler method, y of n plus 1 equal to y of n plus h into f of tn comma y of n. But the stability in the Euler method, 1 plus h into dou f by dou y should be less than 1. So already f of t comma y minus pi y, dou f by dou y equal to minus pi, 1 plus h minus pi less than 1 modulus. This modulus can be written as minus y less than 1 minus pi h less than 1. This can be written as minus 2 less than minus pi h less than 0. Again one more time, the 0 less than h less than 2 pi, which is option A is correct one. So next, Fourier transform. This can be written as Dirac delta function, del of d minus d naught, where t naught belongs to R in the following property. Integral a to b pi of t, the del of d minus d naught, this can be written as pi of t naught, a less than t naught less than b, 0 otherwise. The Laplace transform of Dirac delta function, delta of d minus d naught for a greater than 0, L of delta d minus a equal to f of x. The 4 option is given. By the definition of Dirac delta function, del of d minus a, limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by epsilon. The t lies between a to a plus epsilon, 0 otherwise. The Laplace transform of the delta of d minus a, which is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st, delta d minus a dt. Actually, this interval split for 0 to a to a plus epsilon to infinity. So this integral vanishes. The remaining one, limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by epsilon, integration of e power minus st by minus s. The limit is lies between a to a plus epsilon, limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by s epsilon. You may substitute the upper limit e power minus s into a plus epsilon minus e power minus sa. This may be split up. Limit epsilon tends to 0, e power minus sa minus e power minus sa and e power minus epsilon by s epsilon. Now apply the limit here. E power minus epsilon tends to 0 means this value 1. Also e power minus sa minus e power minus sa 0. Epsilon means 0 by 0. This is the indeterminate form. Now apply the L'Hospital rule. Limit epsilon tends to 0, differentiate both numerator and denominator with respect to epsilon. The first one is constant, e power minus sa is constant. This would be 0. Now e power minus s epsilon is plus s into e power minus sa into e power minus s epsilon divided by s. Now applying epsilon tends to 0, the e power minus s epsilon value is 1. Now we will get s into e power minus sa by s. S cancel. Now we will get e power minus sa, which is option D is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.